I've got all of these delicious red currants that have grown in my garden. So I'm going to show you today how to preserve them so you can enjoy them all year long by making a delicious red currant jelly. So to make this delicious jelly, all you need is two very simple ingredients. One of them being the red currants, and then the other one being sugar. And then we're going to use some very simple cooking methods just to make this magic happen. To begin, we're going to start by removing the red currants from the stalks. Now you can do this by using your hands and just gradually picking them off, or you can use a fork and stick it at the top and then just pull the stalk through and the currants should come straight off. And the next step is actually very important, and actually it creates the whole recipe. We need to weigh the red currants, and whatever they weigh, we need to do exactly the same amount in sugar. And then we'll place the red currants and the sugar into a large saucepan and place it over a medium heat. And then we'll heat them through until the sugar dissolved and the currants start to burst. We need to keep stirring constantly at this point because we don't want it to catch on the bottom. As soon as the red currants come to the boil, we then set a timer for exactly 8 minutes. This is the amount of time it'll take for the red currants and the sugar to reach the perfect setting point. If you prefer it to be more accurate, you can heat it until it reaches 105 degrees on a sugar thermometer. After 8 minutes, we need to skim any of the foam that may have formed on top. So simply do that by using a spoon or a slotted spoon. And then we're going to pass the whole mixture through a fine sieve. But it's really important here not to press it through. We just want it to drip through naturally, otherwise your jelly will end up cloudy. Pour the red currant jelly into a sterilised jar and place the lid on. This will store on a shelf unopened for up to 1 year, but once opened, eat it within 4 weeks. So here it is once it's set. You can see it's set in a lovely, nice jelly way, and it's nice and clear as well. If we taste a little bit, it's sweet, it's sharp. It'll go with lots of delicious meats, especially game, lamb, or even some nice little pâtés. It'll cut right through and taste absolutely delicious. If you've got any cooking related questions or any videos that you'd like to see me make, then don't hesitate to drop the ideas in the comments below, and I'll do my best to sort that out for you. So that's how I make my red currant jelly. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.